Hi guys, most of them get answer 54 for this problem. It is wrong. Now 6 minus 3 is 3. Here 6 minus 3 is 3 times this, 3 times this 6. 3 times 3 is 9 times this 6. Here we'll get 54. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. We have to follow this left to right order in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem by using order of operations PEMDAS. Now the first is bracket. So 6 minus 3. The bracket here is 3 times this 6. Now subtraction and multiplications. Multiplication is higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to follow this left to right rule for this because we have two multiplications. We have to complete this first, left to right. So 6 minus 9 times this 6. Now we have one subtraction and multiplications. Multiplication is higher priority. Now this is 54 minus 6. Now minus 48. This is the correct answer. So negative 48.